Today I'm going to make you a tiramisu you cannot resist.
Ciao everyone, it's all about La Dolce Vita today. And who can actually say no to this famous Italian dessert classic? I know what you're thinking now, not another tiramisu recipe again. But wait a minute, this is my tiramisu for you, and I promise you'll never make another recipe again. So let's get right into it. You need mascarpone cheese, eggs, ladyfingers, coffee, Marsala wine, cocoa powder and chocolate. Let's make coffee first. Sure, you do not need to do it like this. But since we are on a classic today, why not the old school way? Empty the coffee into a bowl and add a little sugar, as well as the Marsala wine. Mix well and have a taste. Delicious. Get 2 bowls and separate the eggs. Add 1/3 of the sugar to the egg yolks and whisk well until nicely creamy. Add a pinch of salt and the remaining sugar to the egg whites and start mixing until you get a foamy and creamy consistency. Now add room-tempered mascarpone cheese. If you want to combine 2 ingredients with different consistencies and different temperatures, you should only add a little first to equalize the 2 ingredients. This will provide you with more volume and foamy creams and prevents from the formation of lumps. Once combined, add the rest and mix well. Same procedure with the meringue, but use a spatula now to carefully fold the meringue into the cream. Time for some layering. To do so, soak the ladyfingers with the coffee mix and put them in a cocotte or cake frame. Then add a few spoons of mascarpone cream and spread evenly across the ladyfingers. Now repeat the procedure, starting with soaking the ladyfingers. Of course, you can always modify the stock for your tiramisu according to your preferences. For example, if you want to make a berry tiramisu, you can simply use a little Cointreau instead of Marsala. Another option could be to replace the coffee with malt coffee and to omit the alcohol completely. This way, your kids can grab a bite too and you can enjoy this dessert with the whole family. Empty the mascarpone cream on top and spread it carefully. Allow the tiramisu to sit in the fridge now. I prefer doing it the day before to enhance the flavors. If you are using a cocotte, you can skip this. Remove the frame and use a wet knife to cut it in portions. Get some cocoa powder and cover the surface of your tiramisu. Carefully plate it and refine with freshly ground dark chocolate. Pronto! I linked the tiramisu recipe for you down in the description. Also, let me know if you have any questions or recipe requests. And of course, I appreciate your like, subscription and support via Patreon. So, thanks a lot for watching and until next time.